Follow the step-by-step installation guide to install your new Grohe product easily. You will find the following items in your package: check the proper placement of seals in the hose. If they are missing, add a fiber or rubber seal. Screw the smaller end of the hose onto the unit. Screw the larger end of the hose onto the hand shower. Make sure the hand shower operates correctly. Congratulations! You have finished installing your new Grohe product. Check our other installation guides and discover all of our products on grohe.com/UK.